students in DSP, we are going to discuss our fourth unit topics, that is the realization of the digital filters. And we have seen various types of filter, IIR filter and FIR filter, Betterworth, Chebyshev filters. We have seen maximally flat filter responses. We have seen, and for the design of the digital filter, the system function or the impulse response should be specified, and then the digital filter structure can be implemented or synthesized in the hardware or the software form using its difference equation or any other form of equation, or directly from the transfer function or the impulse response. And each difference equation of the algorithm can be implemented by using a digital computer or some different hardware or some special programmable integrated circuit. So for the implementation of the specified difference equation of the system, the required basic operations, as we know, will be the addition or the delay or the multiplication. This all we have studied in the signals and system, and we have seen how a system block diagram can be represented by using sign of addition, sign of delay, multiplication sign, and how feedback is used. And the chosen form or the structure will determine the computational algorithm. And generally different structures give the different results, and most common method for realization of the digital system are direct method or cascade or the parallel form or the state variable techniques or the realization techniques. So we will be studying various forms, direct forms, cascade, parallel forms or the ladder forms for the realization of the IIR filter. And again we will be also studying the various techniques for realization of FIR filter also. So let us see the basic realization block diagram using the techniques or the direct forms, or the, we can say, the signal flow graph using addition, delay, multiplication or by a constant form of representation. So let us see what is the basic realization block diagram and what is the equation we will be using for. Now the output for a finite order linear time invariant system at time n can be expressed as the linear combination of inputs and outputs, which is given by mathematically, which is given by yn is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to n a k y of n minus k plus sigma k is equal to 0 to m b k x of n minus k, where a k and b k are the constants. A0 should not be 0 and capital N less than capital N here. And the current output is equal to the sum of past outputs from yn minus 1 to yn minus n, which are scaled by the delay dependent feedback coefficients aka addition to the sum of future, present and past inputs, which are scaled by the delay dependent feed forward coefficients vk. So we can solve this taking the z transform of the output सीक्वेंस yn, कंप्लीट इक्वेशन का हम z ट्रांसफॉर्म लेंगे. सो वी विल बी हैविंग yz इज इक्वल टू सिग्मा n इज इक्वल टू माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू इन्फिनिटी yn z टू द पावर माइनस n, विच इज इक्वल टू sigma n is equal to minus infinity to infinity sigma k is equal to 1 to n a k y of n minus k plus sigma k is equal to 0 to m b k x of n minus k into z to the power minus n. And changing the order of the summation, and by solving this we will be having the transfer function, the ratio of yz upon yz and xk. This is nothing but the transfer function of the system. It will be coming as sigma k is equal to 0 to m b k z to the power minus k by 1 minus sigma k is equal to 1 to n a k z to the power minus k. And this algorithm of an LTI digital filter can be conveniently represented as a block diagram using the basic building block. Now, which are the basic building blocks? We have discussed about the addition or multiplication or the delay. So let us see what are the basic building blocks of the diagram, flow graph or the block diagram. So if the equation is y of n is equal to a1 y n minus 1 plus xn plus b1 x of n minus 1, if this is our difference equation, then the symbols we will be using, basic building blocks are addition. Symbol of addition is like this: x1 n plus x2 n. This is the multiplication symbol. Xn is multiplied by a quantity a, and the unit delay is represented z inverse. Xn is delayed by xn minus 1. This is unit delay. These are the basic building blocks. And जो equation अभी हमने we have discussed this, y of n is equal to a1 y n minus 1 plus xn plus b1 x n minus 1. इसके लिए जो block diagram डिज़ाइन है, the basic realization block diagram for the first order system and its corresponding signal flow graph दोनों हमने बनाया है. So here you can see this equation is, इसमें addition of the terms. First term was our like a1 y of n minus 1. So y of this right side में देखिए इस diagram में y of n, and if we take its delay तो a1 y of n minus 1. So this is one term, it will be added with the term. Second term is xn. So xn is, see, xn is added. यहाँ पे xn का एडिशन हो रहा है with a1 yn minus 1 with delay, and the third term is b1 xn minus 1. So b1, this is b1, and here xn is multiplied with bm xn minus 1 into b1. इन सब का एडिशन. सो ये दिस इज़ द प्लस साइन. सो यू विल बी हैविंग द flow graph for this is, see, xn is the input node 1 2 3 and 4. Between 2 and 4th node z inverse a delay is there. So a1 into xn delay इसमें है, and b1 into xn with a delay, and so that you will be getting the equation for the given question.